10. Mirrors, observation and hazard awareness. One of the most important skills in safe driving is observation. Good drivers constantly check mirrors, scan ahead, assess hazards, and plan early. Observation allows drivers to avoid danger, react calmly, and make smooth driving decisions. Most accidents happen not because drivers lack control of the car, but because they fail to observe hazards early enough. This teaches learners how to develop strong observation habits and improve awareness on the road. Why observation matters. Driving is not simply about steering and pedals. Drivers must continuously monitor traffic ahead, vehicles behind, side roads, pedestrians, cyclists, road signs, weather conditions, and changing hazards. Good observation gives drivers time to think and react safely. Mirror coverage areas. Vehicle viewed from above, showing rear view mirror coverage, side mirror coverage, blind spots. Purpose: introduces mirror limitations. The three main mirrors. Most vehicles contain interior rear view mirror, left door mirror, right door mirror. Each provides different information about surrounding traffic. Drivers should check mirrors regularly, not only before maneuvers. Understanding blind spots. Blind spots are areas around the vehicle that mirrors cannot fully show. Cyclists, motorbikes, or smaller vehicles may disappear temporarily from view. This is why shoulder checks are essential before moving off, changing lanes, or opening doors. Watch out for this. Always perform a final shoulder check before moving or changing direction. Mirror routine. Drivers should check mirrors before slowing down, before signaling, before changing direction, before changing speed, and regularly while driving. Looking well ahead. Safe drivers look much further ahead than beginners. New drivers often cross out, stare directly in front of the car. Experienced drivers check marks, scan far ahead for developing hazards. Looking ahead gives bullet more reaction time, bullet smoother driving, and safer decisions. Hazard awareness. A hazard is anything that could cause danger or require drivers to change speed, change direction, or stop. Examples include pedestrians, cyclists, junctions, parked cars, brake lights, poor weather, animals, and roadworks. Good drivers identify hazards early. A driving tip. The earlier you spot a hazard, the more choices you have. Reading other drivers. Good observation also means watching the behavior of other road users. Drivers should look for sudden braking, drifting lane position, hesitation at junctions, poor signaling, or aggressive behavior. Sometimes the biggest hazard is another driver making poor decisions. Watching pedestrians. Pedestrians can behave unpredictably, especially children, elderly people, distracted phone users, or people stepping between parked cars. Drivers should always slow down near schools, crossings, bus stops, and busy shopping areas. Watch out for this. Children may appear suddenly and unpredictably. Cyclists and motorcyclists. Cyclists and motorbikes are smaller and harder to spot than cars. Drivers should allow extra space, check mirrors carefully, and avoid cutting across them. Motorbikes can approach much faster than learners expect. Observation at junctions. Many collisions occur because drivers fail to observe properly, rush decisions, or look without truly seeing. Drivers should stop if necessary, observe carefully, and never assume another road user will stop. Driving. Tip looking is not enough. Drivers must understand what they are seeing. Nighttime observation. At night, visibility reduces, judging speed becomes harder, and glare from headlights can affect vision. Drivers should slow down, increase following distance, and scan more carefully. Night road scene showing, glare from headlights, pedestrian visibility, reduce stopping distance awareness. Purpose: introduces nighttime observation challenges. Watch out for this hazard. Awareness: foggy road with hidden vehicle ahead. Reduced visibility means reduced reaction time. Weather and visibility: rain, fog, and snow reduce visibility dramatically. Drivers should use lights correctly, reduce speed, clean windows regularly, and avoid distractions. Poor visibility requires increased concentration. Distracted driving, driver glancing at mobile. Modern driving also brings many distractions. These may include mobile phones, dashboard screens, conversations, eating or adjusting controls while driving. Even a few seconds of distraction can become dangerous because road conditions can change very quickly. Many learner drivers make common observation mistakes during training. Some forget mirror checks, focus too closely ahead, concentrate on only one hazard, or fail to reassess changing situations. These skills improve steadily with practice and experience. To summarize this chapter, good observation improves reaction time. Mirrors must be checked regularly. Blind spots require shoulder checks. Hazard awareness helps drivers plan early. Looking far ahead improves safety, and distractions greatly increase danger. Every experienced driver has at some point missed a mirror check, failed to spot a hazard early, or felt overwhelmed in busy traffic. Strong observation skills develop gradually through practice, awareness, and experience. Safe drivers are usually calm observers first, and good vehicle controllers second. Please re-listen to this again. Listening just once does not have much memory retention. Listening twice will help remember. In the next part, we will discuss maneuvers, parking, and low-speed vehicle control.